Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Replit to build an app. Let's get started. First, go to replit.com and click sign up or create an account using Google or email and more. And once logged in, you'll be taken to Replit dashboard. Here to create a new app, click create Replit and choose a programming language like Python, JavaScript, C++, or more. You can also select templates like web apps or full stack projects. Replit opens a full online code editor, and on the left is your file structure, in the middle is your code editor, and on the right is the live preview. Click run and to instantly see your app working. You can also use the Replit AI to generate code, fix errors, or explain what your code does. Just type the prompt like this, and this will let the AI help you. And once your app is ready, click Share to get public link. Replit automatically hosts your app so anyone can access it instantly. And that's how you build an app using Replit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.